Hello, my name is Marcus Hoy Peterson. I'm here to take you through our new product called NeatPad Pro. It's a 10-inch new wonderful pad that we're introducing. So to start off where we began, at Neat we've always taken care to provide what you need in the box. So when we did our first pad, which is a controller and a scheduler, we wanted to provide every single mount you needed in the box. So if you open this box, you will find everything you need to get started. You will find the pad itself. It's in here. Looks like this, wonderful little thing. And then all the mounts and cables you might need to put it up on the table or on the wall. Now, this box is sort of big because we ship all the mounts. So when we designed the new pad, we wanted to make the box smaller. So this is the box for the new NeatPad Pro. As you can see, it's much smaller. So what I like to say is that the old box had a small pad in the big box. This pad is bigger, but in a smaller box. That's good for the environment and good for shipping and just a neater experience. So when we designed the new box and the new pad, it's in a smaller box, as you can see. So inside this box, which is this wonderful gift box that opens like so, you can see this beautiful new pad. It's now wrapped in a paper sheet to protect it. You lift it up like this. So you have the device itself, you have the box, and under here you will find all the accessories. Now here you will find the cable and the mounting bracket. So we'll get back to that later. So if I now move these things out of the way, and we can talk about the product itself. So the pad, as you can see, is wrapped in this protective glassine film. Now you open it, and here you have the product. So the first thing that might strike you is how wonderful this screen is. Like, look at the satin feeling. So we've been spending a lot of time and effort on making this texture just what you want it, right? So this eliminates refractions, and it also provides this silky feel. On the back you have a full die-cast aluminium rear cover. Now this is good for several things, but number one, it simplifies the thermal design on the inside. So now we lead the heat to the rear cover, which is good because we have a much higher compute inside this pad. It also provides a way better tactile feel than what you find in anything else in the market up until now. And just look at it. I mean, it's a super simple, very clean device. So we've grouped all the basic elements inside this main shape, and then all the surfaces leading up to that is kept as clean as possible. So we get these wonderful gradients that play around in this metal shine. So coming out of the box, the device looks like this. Now you can take this lid off, and now you can connect a Ethernet cable, or on this side, and replace this lid. And you can either choose to leave it open or screw it shut, so you can protect or make sure people don't run away with your Ethernet cable, and that gives you the basic install. This is an angle we really like because it means that people on both sides of the table can actually see the screen and see what's going on. However, sometimes you want different angles, you want more choices because lighting in the room might vary, what reasons you might have. So we made this bracket. Now this bracket doubles as a stand for the device on the table or as a mount for scheduling. So you can now mount this in the same geometry as I did with the previous lid. Now I can place it on the table like this, which gives me a steeper angle. I can turn it around like this, which gives me another angle, or I can even flip the whole thing around and give me 1 and 2 more installation positions. If you want to mount it on the wall, you take the same bracket as I said, you mount it through one of these 2 holes, or you can attach it using tape or any of the other mounting options we provide. Now you can click the device on to the wall, so now you have a more vertical scheduling type mount. If you want to mount it lower down, you want the screen to face people that's standing up, you can take it off, turn it around, click it back in, and now we have a better viewing angle for people standing. Both of these angles are ADA compliant, so you will have no problem mounting them in open spaces. So as you can see, or as you hopefully see, we've spent a lot of time and effort in making this a premium product. Now we think that's important because the pad is what you touch and interact with in the meeting room, right? and you don't want that to be a bad experience. So all these tactile qualities, all that details that go into this wonderful screen, and the LEDs and how all of these things come together. So please visit neat.no to learn more about this wonderful product, and we can't wait for you to get your hands on this.